Okay, may we call on Mr. Carmelo Santos and Mrs. Adelaida Santos to give some few messages.
Sa inyo lahat. Congratulations sa mga lahat. Hindi naman kayo bata na. Alam nyo na. Kaya magmahalan lagi. Hindi kaya magkaunawaan.
How about you, ma'am? Anything to add?
Nothing more.
Nothing more. Ayun. So, naiintindihan ko, ma'am, congratulations daw, magmahalan daw kayo and maging center daw si God ng inyong relationship. Ay, taray, sinamarize. Next, may we call on the father and the mother of the bride, Mr. Julio Buque and Mrs. Dolores Buque to give their wishes.
Masasabi ko lang bilang magulang gusto kong maging maligaya sila at tama nga ang sinabi ng aking hindi na sila mga bata alam na nilang gagawin nila. Congratulations sa akin. Sana maging tatagan yung pagsasama at maging maligaya kayo kung ano man ang pagsubok sa inyo, kaya niyo lutasin niya dahil nasa gustong bulan na kayo. Yun lang. Maraming salamat.
Ako naman, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga dumalo at saka sa mga ninong-ninang, sa aking mga kamag-anak. Lahat po na dumalo, nagpapasalamat ako. Tapos, siyempre itong mga anak namin ay hindi na mga bata. Nasa hustong gulang na kaya ako'y masayang-masaya. Tapos, siyempre, we-welcome po ang aking anak na si Faith. Kung sino ang mahal ng anak ko, mahal ko rin. Pero, isa lang masasabi ko. Pag ayaw na nipis sa anak ko, balik niya lang sa akin. Wala na akong ibang Pag ganun lamang. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Napansin ko kanina mga message nila mami at nila daddy sa inyo. Matanda na kayo. Alam niyo na yun. Okay, so matanda na kayo, alam niyo na rin yan. Daddy, when we call daddy, si Daddy Julio para sa last dance niya. Last dance niya kay Jonah bilang dalaga. Alright?
From the moment I looked into your eyes, there was something about you I knew that you were once in a lifetime, a treasure near impossible to find. And I know how lucky I am to have you. 'Cause I've seen rainbows that could take your breath away, of the setting sun on any given day. And when it comes to shooting stars, I have seen a few, but I've never seen anything as beautiful as you. I can't believe that I have you. I can't believe that you're here in my arms. I've been waiting a lifetime for you, and I've dreamed about you, pictured in my mind who I would see, but I never imagined just how beautiful you'd be. 'Cause I've seen rainbows that could take your breath away. The beauty of the setting sun on any given day. When it comes to shooting stars, I've seen a few. seen anything as beautiful. No, I've never seen anything as beautiful as you. From the moment I saw you, from the moment I looked into your eyes.
Good evening po sa lahat. Thank you po sa mga dumating niyo. Sa mga... Actually, hindi kasi namin nakasahan na ganito yung magluluto. Kasi nga, dahil Friday naka-schedule yung ano natin. Nagpapasalamat pa rin kami na nakarating kayo. Salamat talaga, bigyan mo kami ng oras. God bless.
Thank you sa lahat ng umaten, sa relatives, friends, sa lahat ng mga tao who patiently waited for us na mangyari itong event na to. Maraming salamat po. God bless us all.
There you have it, our newlywed Mr. and Mrs. Santos. Maraming salamat po. Now, once again, we would like to thank everyone for coming here tonight and sharing this momentous occasion with Jonna and Chris. We do hope that all of you had a great time. And this has been your host. My name is Alan. Good evening and enjoy the swimming party. Thank you. Palakpakan po. Salamat.
There's a stranger in my bed.